So Moritz, you were speaking about these delta replacement trades and the option trades that we do. It's important to understand 95% of our trading is systematic. There's this engine room that runs all the time, which is great for us. We love being guided by these rules. And then occasionally, actually very rarely I should say, we execute these delta replacement trades. It's occasional because these trades aren't available to us in all the markets that we trade. We trade 90 markets. There's probably 10, 15 or so markets where we can really execute these options-based trades in a meaningful way. What we're looking for is to amplify our exposure to a possible but never guaranteed outlier price move. And we like doing these trades on markets where we have big open trade profits. So never without an underlying position on the systematic portfolio. There always needs to be a reference point. But when we sit on these profits, we'd like to really just go for more convexity, transforming a linear futures exposure into a non-linear, positively convex options-based exposure, partially, never fully. And we like to do that long dated, so where there's not a lot of gamma, not a lot of theta, where we have a lot of essentially convexity at that point in time. It's less about the implied volatility exposure, it's really more about optionality. Let me give an example, because we did speak about the crude oil futures, and that's actually one of the markets where we've executed that trade recently. We're long crude, we're long essentially the entire petroleum complex, from gas oil, heating oil, gasoline, Brent, everything really. And we might be short or out of crude at some point. It's been going down yesterday, but still we are sitting on these profits, and the curve had changed from contango into backwardation, and we found a way to take some of these long positions, long futures positions that we had off partially and replace it with long call options for the same delta. But now things have changed. You know, it's now no longer entirely linear. It's linear plus that non-linear option exposure.
Yeah, and it's adding some spice to the whole complex of systems we are trading. Let's maybe summarize what sets us apart, because I think it's unique. It's something new. It's something we like to do. And yeah, trend, spreads, and a little bit of discretionary options overlay.